Hello, I am Honeylicious, and I want to tell you why I love nature. It's just so beautiful. Yes, nature is amazing. Sometimes I just look at the sky and I feel some kind of connection with Earth. We don't think it on any day, but what we've what will we do if we don't have nature? The answer is nothing. The four simple things: earth, wind, water, fire, and stone. Those are the five elements. And if they're all together, they will make the world. And actually, we all have one element, and ourselves too. I call it the soul element. It's the element inside our soul. Mine's wind. I have hundreds dreams about that I'm flying. I wish that is all true, but in case it's not. Look, there's a bee, an amazing creature. Bees are a big part of our world. Nature can be amazing, beautiful, and calm. Sometimes wild too. Wild. We're all part of nature, and we're all unique. I am unique too, in case you didn't see it. And we're not unique just because of our looks, our voice, talents, hobbies. They're all unique. Nobody has a exact same voice as you. Or maybe only if you are twins. But the actors can play a never mind. Just that actors can do different voices. Like me right now. But let's go. You see, it's windy. And here's the water. Let's see, is it cold or not? Okay, just dip in there. Wow, you see that? Brr, it's pretty gold. Did I say gold? I mean cold. The water is cold. Yes. Yep, it's definitely cold. Ah! Oh no. Ah! Brr, so gold. Cold. Cold gold. Oh my god. The words are playing tricks on me. Look at that! Amazing! Do you know that flowers are helping us breathe? If flowers don't exist, we can't breathe. Hey guys, look where I am. Oh god, this is very high up. I hope I don't fall. But hey, I can touch a tree. It's an apple tree. Amazing. Whoa. Uh-oh. But how can I get down? I have to jump. Don't worry, guys. That was a film trick. I don't actually jumped. But look where I am. Let's have fun. Whee! Up, and away. Look, there's flowers too. But now, guys, you've heard of anything what I love in the nature. I know right now you are watching a video on phone, TV, or on your laptop. But sometimes just go out, relax, and chill on the nature. I just want that anybody can feel some nature. Wind, earth, water,